good now. Sometimes you just need to wear your sleeping shoes and go get some Chick-fil-A for breakfast. So let's go. Let's see what we got here. All right, I can dig this. Let's get this every day. It's almost like it's fall or something here in Florida finally. Nom 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 nom. Chick-fil-A. That is it. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. As y'all can tell, it really is a winter nightmare out here in South Florida. An absolute storm. It is beautiful. That's the only way to say it. All right, y'all. We gotta put up the top. A little later now. Just hit the gym. Got an excellent workout, y'all. And vlog. It's time for some views on views on views. Let's put up the windows. Let's make sure everything is all good in the hood. Don't know why those freaking lights are on. But excuse me. Excuse me. I meant by I'm closing the door. Look at this excellent parking job. We got Moose a good corner spot. And this is what I call South Florida views on views on views. All right, ladies and gentlemen, food finished. Cancel the food vlog, at least for right now. We're just closing up Moose. Let's lock him up and head into Walmart. Moose, you stay there. He is filthy, and that is why we are going to Walmart. We need to go get some more microfiber towels and some new soap and go home and clean them up. I don't care. Right there. That's where we're headed. This, how much are they? 88 cents. Might as well go for, what is this? Same thing, there's just 4, might as well dig deep here. Get 3. We also got this one right now, the red one. Oh wait, do we have that? I think we got this one, so maybe we should try something new. Let's go with foaming concentrate. We'll go with this one, wash and wax. I grab these 2, brand new. Let's get out of here. Pop, 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 pop. Pop Moose. Look how dirty he is. Filthy, 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 filthy. Gosh, pop him. It is a stunning day in South Florida. Look at that plane. Meow. All the way over there's the airport. I have no clue what I'm doing. Let's toss this stuff in there. Put that down. Head home. Ready, set. Camry got us. Go, 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 go. Sorry, only one in when we're doing these shots. Kind of hard. U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. Y'all just take a look at how filthy Moose, the Mustang, really is right now. It is absolutely terrible, and it's not gonna do at all. So let's just get him right. Let's get him going. As I walk you around this car, just filthy everywhere. We're gonna take our new stuff. We got a bunch of microfiber towels, and we are going to clean him up. Look. All right, let's get it. everything we need is out. We are going to be trying this new wash, the Blue Coral Wash and Wax. There is 100 washes. Let's just see. We are going to put that baby in there, turn that up, and then we are going to wash up Moose. I'm going to save you guys from having to watch this again, so let's just get through it. Whew! 30 minutes later, my hair is a mess, but we just finished up the car. Looking definitely a lot better. We need to get the windows tinted, but all in all, a pretty solid wash. Let's get the car started. Holy crap, look at my hair in there. We need to get the hair done. We're gonna pull it in, take a shower, see where the rest of the day takes us. Traffic. Oh no, y'all. Our arch nemesis, traffic. It's 450. Woo-hoo! We'll just be listening to Sports Talk Radio for a while because stuck in traffic. Alexis never gets past that car without calling out for his vlog. Let's go. There is definitely not any views on views here, so we gotta look a little deeper into the vlog.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there.